Quick question. Have you ever set a goal, maybe something big like building a business or buying a property, but felt lost when it came to actually making it happen? Or maybe you have the drive, but just need that clear roadmap to get you there. If so, you're not alone, and today we're going to change that. My name is Michelle, and I'm here to help you through your real estate journey by providing you my story that will hopefully inspire you to take a leap of faith and build your legacy while impacting others. Today, we're going to be focusing on the foundational steps that will give you the confidence and direction to move forward with purpose. These are SMART goals. These goals are going to help you set up a clear plan that's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. And I've even created a SMART goals worksheet for you, so be sure to grab it with the link below to follow along. So let's get into it. So when my mom and I first started, we knew we wanted more than just a few properties. We wanted to create something very meaningful that aligned with our values, but that vision needed structure. And that's when SMART goals came in for us. So we broke it down, our big dream, and that gave us the motivation to stick with it and have a clear path to follow. Even when it was the challenging days and I felt that we were messing up and giving up, this is what we went back to be able to get us back to what we were, back into our goals. So as I walk you through the steps, I hope you'll start to see how SMART goals can actually make your dreams feel real and achievable. All right, so step one, make sure your goal is specific. Instead of saying, I want to succeed in real estate, narrow it down to something like I want to acquire 2 midterm rental properties within a year. So be very specific. It gives you a clear target and makes the goal feel real and achievable. All right, so step 2. Ensure your goal is measurable. If your goal is to acquire 2 properties, ask yourself, how will I know when I'm on track? Or maybe it's setting a savings goal, target goal for a down payment. A measurable goal helps you track progress and celebrate each milestone. To use the worksheet as a measurable element to your goal. For example, save $20,000 by March for a down payment. This will have you have tangible proof of your progress. Step 3, make sure it's achievable. Your goal should always be achievable. It's important to dream big, like I do, but in a way that's within reach. Instead of aiming for 10 properties in the first year, maybe start with 1 or 2. This approach doesn't limit you, it just sets you up for success and with realistic steps. All right, almost done. Step 4, keep your goals relevant. Relevance keeps you aligned with your bigger purpose. If your reason is to start in real estate and it's to create a stable income for your family, make sure this contributes to that vision. Don't put something on your actual sheet that you don't contributes to your values, your core values. When your goals align with your values, they become very powerful. All right, last step, make it time bound. A deadline gives you urgency and accountability. If your goal is to have your first midterm rental within a year, break it down even further. For example, by month 3, research markets, by month 6, secure financing, and by month 9, make an offer. Deadlines help you stay on track. All right, so here's how SMART goals might look and sound. Instead of saying, I want to succeed in real estate, your SMART goal could be within 1 year, I will acquire 2 midterm rental properties in a high demand area, financing at least one of them through private money lending and generating $3,000 in monthly revenue rental income. Now, that's a specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. So tomorrow we're going to dive into resilience and risk. These are two essentials for any real estate journey. We'll discuss how to handle challenges and build the confidence to keep moving forward. And stay tuned for the next days ahead because I'm going to be sharing my strategies on finding deals without me never calling sellers, me leveraging partnerships and securing properties with using other people's money. And so if you are ready to commit to your goals, I'd love to hear one of your SMART goals. So drop one in the comments below and make sure you download the worksheet to get started. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a single day of this journey. Together, we're going to build something meaningful step by step. Thank you again for joining me and setting these goals with me today. Remember, having a clear purpose, driven goal is the foundation of real success. I'll see you in the next video as we keep building the groundwork of midterm rental business. Trust me, there's so much more that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Thank you again and see you in the next video. Bye.